how to speed up downloads on Epic Games Launcher. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna just go ahead to our Windows, next to the Windows icon, and we're gonna search for Run. Okay, once you search for Run, you will see an app just like this. Okay, next step, you will just see the window pop in just like this, and what you're gonna search for, and next to the percentage, in between the percentage, sorry, you will search for app data. Once you search for it, it will locate you to this kind of page just like this. You're gonna head back and you're gonna go to the local. Okay, once you've gone to local, you will see the Epic Games Launcher right here. We're gonna click. Now, as you can see right here, you will see the save, the intermediate. So we're gonna click the save, and we're gonna go ahead next to the config, and here we're gonna go to Windows. All right, next step, you will just go and search for engine right here. As you can see, we're gonna click, and you're gonna see a blank in this section right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open the notes. Okay, and in the description down below, I'm gonna put the text for the like this. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in the description down below, and you will see it on the screen right currently. Okay, so once you typed all that, we're gonna just click and hit save. All right, and we're gonna head back to Epic Games. Next step, you will go to your avatar icon right here, and you will search for your settings. And now, once you've gone to your settings, you will just scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see throttle download. So we're gonna just hit the check mark, and we're gonna put any random number. So let's say, for example, 50,000. Okay, and it shouldn't affect the download. It's just number that I just put in randomly. Okay, and this way, when you upload any game, it will increasingly be more faster. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.